This is my first attempt at a eHarmony video. I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. So I'm just gonna start talking about what I like. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just wanna hug all of them, but I can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. So anyway, I am a cat lover and I love to run. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about cats again. I really love cats. I'm thinking about cats again and again and again and again and again. I think about how many don't have a home and how I should have them. I think about how cute they are and how their ears and the whiskers and the nose. I just love them and I want them, and I want them in a basket and I want little bow ties. I just love them and I want them to be on a rainbow and in my bed, and I just want us to roll around, round, round, round. Sorry, I'm getting emotional. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just wanna hug all of them, but I can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. So anyway, I am a cat lover and I love to run. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about cats again. I really love cats, but I can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat.
Now you can songify your life with our new app, Songify.
Now you can songify your life with our new app, Songify.
I just talked into my phone and now it's a song. We're living in the future. Download link below. Original video here. And watch us songify our life. Your stuff, karaoke track. If you want to see more, then subscribe.
You like to go to the club on the weekend. I like to skip the games and start freaking. Smoyoho.
What do you got, any words of wisdom? What about for all the other kids trying to learn how to ride their bike? Can you say anything to them? Give me some thumbs up.
Thumbs up, everybody! Rock and roll! Thumbs up, everybody! Rock and roll! You will get the hang of it, I know it. You will get better and better, I know it. If you keep practicing, you will get better and better as you do it.
Subscribe and tell us what to songify. Do your own version and we'll link it if it's super fly. Let me help you. Click here where the track is and sing along with a little bit of practice.
You will get the hang of it, I know it. You will get better and better, I know it. Smoyoho, X another yo. Smoyoho, X another
Yo!
Who you said was naked?
Daddy and Mom.
And what happened?
Mom said, Daddy said, and Daddy screamed like a girl, like ooh ooh. Mommy screamed like a girl, like both of them screamed like
You was in your room. You was trying to sleep.
yeah.
Who you hear?
Daddy and Mommy.
I bet my daughter knows my name. What did you hear?
Mommy said,
You did not hear that. That is not the truth.
original video here.
Do a cover and it could be here. Keep watching to see our hastily prepared cover. What do you think we should songify next? Tell us in the comments below.
Songify. Verb. Transitive. 1. To make stuff into a song. 2. To make a song out of stuff. That wasn't originally intended to be a song. It's on Urban Dictionary. That makes it legit.
Mommy said, oh, oh, Daddy said, oh, 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 Daddy screaming like a girl, like oh, oh, Mama screaming like a girl, like that, oh, both of them scream like da 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 da.
Daddy and mommy was naked, and you in trouble, you in trouble. Both of y'all.
We were trying to read your minds, and we got blurry images of cute kids, and also R. Kelly. It was obvious that you were all looking for a booty jam sung by a precocious toddler. So this one goes out to all the parents what's got babies and still making babies. In other news,
Antoine made the Billboard Top 100. He's snatching your chart positions up. Hide your dregs, hide your bobs.
that's right, Haiku Up Butt. Here it is at its iTunes peak. Behind Usher, and also Usher, but ahead of Usher. And Usher.
Smoyoho. Accent on the yo.